Hi, we're in the Isata 5 Series 35dB. This unit, like all Isata 5s, features the Dream Dinette, so we're going to show you how to convert this dinette area down into a bed. First thing we're going to do is remove these corner cushions. Then we're going to unlock your Dream Dinette. That allows it to go up and down. To put it down, I'm going to lift up each of the booth dinette cushions so that it can clear past it. And then use your back cushions to go into the middle. There you go. Hi, we're in the Dynamax XL, the 3801TS floor plan. All the Dynamax DX3s and Force HDs utilize the Dream Dinette, so this video should serve all three product lines as we show how to convert it into a bed. So this Dream Dinette system has a lever at the end allowing you to move it up and down. So you'll lift up your ends of your dinettes, seats, push it down. It'll form on that lip. Okay. Then you'll take out these filler cushions that are the backs of your dinette. And you know, it is a tight fit so that there aren't any gaps. And voila, you have your bed. Hi, we're in the Isata 3 Series 24FW. We're going to show you how to convert the standard booth dinette down into a bed. Hi, we're currently sitting in an Isata 3 Series 24FW. This is the optional tri-fold sofa. It comes with a table out in front here. We're going to show you how to take down this table and then convert the sofa into a bed. First thing you're going to do is take the tabletop off. It's a matter of twisting this knob to loosen it, pressing here on this lever, and then we're going to lift it up and off. We'll set it off to the side for now. You'll also want to remove this pedestal. Easiest way to do that is just to twist lightly to the right. Now we're ready to first take off these back pillows, set them off to the side, lift up and out on the base. You'll see that naturally the middle legs come out. What you want to do is turn out these extensions at the base, flip this out. Already has extensions here. Now we're laid even. You'll take the back of the sofa, that'll fold down, and then these back cushions are going to fit to the middle. Now you have a good sized bed.